Sorry, I have to make another withdrawal.
Don't turn around. I can help you. Keep taking out money. That minivan to my left, that yours?
Yes.
Just for clarity, you've been carjacked, right?
My child is in the back seat.
Gun? Stay here. This won't take long.
Your mom better hurry the fuck up, kid, or this is gonna go bad for both of you.
Stop.